In this video, I'll show you how to see who viewed your LinkedIn profile. If you want to know who has been checking your profile on LinkedIn, there's a feature built into the platform called Who's Viewed Your Profile. This lets you see recent profile visitors, but the amount of detail you get depends on your LinkedIn plan and also on the privacy settings of the people who visited your page. To check this on desktop, start by signing in to your LinkedIn account. Once you're on the homepage, look for the section that says Who's Viewed Your Profile. You can also go directly to your profile and look for the same option there. Click it, and LinkedIn will open a page showing your recent profile viewers. If you're using the LinkedIn mobile app, open the app and go to Your Profile. From there, find the Who's Viewed Your Profile section and tap it. This will show your recent viewer activity inside the app. Now here's the important part. If you're using the free version of LinkedIn, you usually only get limited access to this feature. That means you may only see a small number of recent viewers, and in some cases you may not see full names. For example, instead of a specific person, LinkedIn might show something more general, like someone working in marketing or someone from a particular company. This happens because some people browse LinkedIn in private mode. When that happens, their identity is hidden. So even if they visit your profile, LinkedIn may not reveal exactly who they are. Your own privacy settings also matter. If you visit other people's profiles in private mode, LinkedIn may limit how much profile viewer information you can see on your own account. So if you want better access to viewer details, go to Settings and Privacy, open Visibility, and review your profile viewing options. If you need more advanced insights, LinkedIn Premium gives more viewer information than the free account. But even with Premium, private viewers still stay anonymous. So that's how to see who viewed your LinkedIn profile and why sometimes the information is limited. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.